As well as using scientific notation for very large numbers, we can also use it for very small numbers. The only difference is our decimal point, instead of going to the left, it's going to move to the right. And we're going to move it until we get to a number that is not 0, and it's going to go in after it, just like this. So my decimal point's starting here, and it's jumping 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So our new number is 2.13 times 10, but this time it's to the negative 4 because we're dealing with a small number and the decimal point moved the opposite way. So small numbers, we have negative powers. So page 68 in the TJ4 Plus textbook, we're going to do a couple of questions out of it. So 1A, we have got 0.05 and we want to write it in scientific notation. So there's my decimal point. I need to move it until I've got one number to the left-hand side that is not a 0. So this is where we're going to go with it. 1, 2, that's a new place that I want my decimal point to be. So we've moved 2 places. So it's negative 2 is my power. So 5.0 times 10 to the negative 2. So this time we've got 0.9. Again, there's my decimal point. We need to move it. So we've only got one number to the left. So that's my new position for my decimal point. So this time the decimal point only moved one place. So it is 9.0 times 10 to the negative 1. Okay, 1F. There's my decimal point. We need to move it all the way over here. So that means it needs to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. So because we've moved 6 places, it's to the negative 6. So 1.0 times 10 to the negative 6. Right, folks, I want you to carry on and finish off the rest of question 1 and then move on to question 2.